What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone's doing good tonight. Just relaxing here at the house, just chilling in the command center. Corona action all over the freaking place. Crazy. What are these right here? Today's it's for next week. Nice. I hope everyone's doing great. Thanks for joining, Jack, Alec. Going to be an amazing show tonight. We're going to go over the whole Corona action. What I see is what you could see. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's head over to my main screen and the Mojo room. Here's the Mojo room right now. Dow's futures were down 268 earlier. There's some great swing trading charts from winners in the swing. A couple of testimonials right here. Came in from Mojo University. I'm truly wondering if Mike is human at this point. Laugh out loud. Great class, Mike. I enjoyed the process goals and setting some realistic going for the finale right there. One above that says, very informative video. Learned so much out of the last 36 minutes. Watched every single minute like the other ones without losing interest. I love the mining idea and how you're killing it. Thank you again, Mike, for being so legit and what you teach. Another great learning video. How much money to expect out of each stock based on your capital and your wave was extremely interesting. Golden nuggets. The class definitely lifted my day. I feel so inspired by your knowledge, Mike. I hope to become the trader that you are one day. I stay focused. A nice job. Pro Trader Texas successfully completed Mojo University. Nice job, Pro Trader Texas. Certificate of completion. You got 40 out of 50 and 80%. And also Pro Trader Kevin Marbray successfully completed Mojo University. And some winners right here for the month, guys. For the swing trade newsletter highlighted for the month was a 702% winner in iBio, 640% winner in Codex, AGRX, and so forth down the line. We're going to go over these picks tonight and show you what the companies do and how they do that. Oh, and check this out, guys. I love it when my dachshund gets dry mouth from them blankies and I take his like gums and I push up his gums like that and I expose the tooth. You know what I'm saying? Because he's got the dry mouth. Love that. Exposing the tooth. That's Bobo and there's Rem. I do it on both of them. I got good comments on that on my Twitter. So let's see what's happening on the main screen. We got futures down 300 right now, 257. They're all over the place. Probably futures would be something good to trade if you were on a company that traded futures right now. You could be trading the E-mini S&P 500s right now. I'd actually be looking to go long and buy any dips because everything's at a really nice discount. I expect only standout stocks within the Corona space to take charge now. We'll go over those and what I'm looking at. If we look at this site called FinViz right here and go to their homepage and just take a look at the top gainers right here, you have iBio, Mojo Swing Pick, OPGN, Mojo Swing Pick, Trill, Mojo Swing Pick, Dynatronics, Mojo Swing Pick, AHPI, Mojo Swing Pick. Do I need to go more? You know what I'm saying? You need to be in the Mojo swing picks. So let's go over a couple if we take a look here. Let's head back to the last newsletter. And we'll go through some of those stocks. 263 down on them futures. So here's the swing model portfolio. I'm going to move my picture to the other side. No, I just move this over. I can move that to the other side. Okay. So we have the UVXY covered calls right here. And the stock is at 1450 was the pick. It was down for quite some time. We owned it since November. January, February, March. 3 months. Collected 3 months of premium. So if you look down here on the bottom and you take it back to December right here and click that tab, we'll see how many premiums we've collected in UVXY. So UVXY right here. On the bottom. And UVXY, we traded from 16 to 17. So we made 1 point. Then we did the covered calls right here, the puts, the 250. And we got it put to us. We got the stock. We wanted that. And we got the covered calls for $1.20. That's $3.70 in premiums. So you're at $4.70 now. $4.70 in premiums. Actually, we'll just stick to the premium. So it's $3.70. Got a $2.50 and $1.20. It's $3.70. In January, UVXY $3.80. A $3 one right here. And an 80-cent right here. The put and the call at 15. So we got 380 in January. And then another January right down here. For this is end of January into this, another 380. These are the fifths. These were sold on the 5th. And the ones up above were on 11/4. So in February, we had a 70 center expire. So that's 380, 380. That's like $10. Another 70 cents there on January 24th. The covered call expired. And then down here again, the March. And the stock picked at 14, sold at 26.05. iBio picked at 38 cents, sold at 2.05. iBio at 30 cents, sold at 3.05. $702% gain on iBio, 439% gain on iBio, 640% gain on Codex. So if you would in the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter, you would have got 172% gain on COCP, 126% gain starting out on iBio, 50% gain on UVXY, 116% gain on Codex up there, 27% on DGLY. Quite the month. Actually, it's the biggest gaining month. There was one time with internet stocks. I've been in a lot of markets, guys. This is one of the top 3 markets of my entire trading career right here for sure. And it was an amazing time because history repeats itself. And when you're in the market a long time, you get to see patterns over time. Nothing's new to you. Where if you're a new trader, everything's new and you learn on your money. And this time in history, I get to earn on the money because I got to see exactly where we got going on. Let me show you the swing trading right here. So this is a stock right here called AHPI. This was a stock right here called Allied Health Products. They develop medical gas equipment, respiratory care products, and emergency medical products. And I picked it right here for the Mojo swing trade at $3.20 for the first buy with a high of $3.40. It's Allied Healthcare Products because of the Ebola wave is happening, and this is a tag along to TKMR and Lake. This TKMR stock was going ballistic. It was one stock that went from like 14 to 50. So this one took over. Sequential sales growth for 4 quarters. Volume was 30 times the average. 3.9 million traded versus 997,000 with a tiny float of 8 million and 54% owned by funds. Super nice. 4 quarters of increases. Stock went from $3 to humongous. Here's the stock right here. It went $5. This is the other day. $5. It went 3. Then it went from 5 to 10 to 15 to 20 to 25 to 30 to 35 to 40 to $45. I think in the pre-market it was $65 per share. Same stock as years ago. Same pattern. And just for kicks, in that newsletter, since that was my #1 low float pick breakout, check out Amrin at $1. This is Amrin back in 2015 when the Ebola was happening. Start a small buy. It's good for the next 3 years, and it's at $1. Amrin's 20 right now. Remember Amrin when it got destroyed? It was up here at 19 and 15. Everyone was heart aching for like 2 years on all the media boards, and message boards was so hot. The stock went down from 10 to $1, I remember. I was doing covered calls on it down here. It was a good play. Here's a Trilogy, which was a swing pick on 12/22 just before the new year at 71 cents to break this gap. They are a company innovating therapies for the treatment of cancer. Base breakout to fill above 89. Volume increasing. No news, but it's moving out of a long base. Target 76, 89, and so forth. The stock went right to $1.05, and then it went to $3. Now it's at 5. Keep an eye on this one, guys. 5 on Trilogy. And that's what they do. They do the develop medical gas. That's the Allied Health. A Trilogy is the Canada-based company for the cancer, and AHPI, the respiratory devices, emergency medical products, and respiratory care. So like, breathing stuff. This is iBiopic on 2/7. On 2/7, Friday. So I didn't come out with picks. I'm not going to send out a newsletter tonight. Last week I picked stocks on the fly. So solid, dudes. That's what I'm going to do again this week. Like this stock right here, iBio. Picked at 36 cents, only one way higher. Volume's up 84%, guys. Looking sweet. Earnings coming due on 2/13. Float 59 million. Could head up to $1.40 right here. See that? Move up to 58 cents right through there with an insider buy. So sweet. 36-cent pick to go through 50 cents. That's the iBio pick. So if you're in the newsletter, you got that iBio pick. Here's Ogen and Dynatronics. The Ogen pick right here, OGEN. Let's see what they do. Ogen, OGEN. Is in the 2/7 newsletter. Last week's newsletter. So here's Ogen right here in the newsletter from last week. From 2 weeks ago, the top 9. Blue covered calls work great. KZR from 385 went to 575. Did a huge breakout. All good green circles. They develop and manufacture therapeutics for treatment of unmet disease for autoimmunity and cancer. Autoimmune to the coronavirus. Facts about the coronavirus. All right, that's the Centers for Disease Control and Protection right there. I'll show you a better one though. Corona virus. So this is a good one. Right here. Symptoms of it and how it spreads from, dude, in the air. Check out this picture. That's that one I want you to see. Where's the other one I found? Good explaining it with pictures. The incubation's 12 to 14 days. This picture says there's none. Okay. Symptoms are fever, chest pain, rapid heartbeat, pneumonia, kidney failure, and it's spread through coughing and sneezing. I heard a guy say there's no way that the masks help anything. The masks don't help. Whoops. See what this one says. This one says coronaviruses are large family of viruses, symptoms high fever, pneumonia, coughing and sneezing. Dude, if anyone's coughing around you, dude, you better freaking run the other way, dude. If they're coughing, sneezes, why just turn around and just walk out the door and go the other direction, dude. Because that shit spreads in the air and it spreads and it goes on like the tables and the chairs and everything. And then you'll go and buy and you'll touch the table and then you'll put it on your, go like this, and all of a sudden you have the coronavirus. Yep. Telling you, man, don't be touching nothing. Don't be touching nothing. Futures are down 212. See, you would have made 60 points on the futures buying them long, like I told you, man. Trading them futures, guys. We might even turn green. We got it under control, man. We ain't gonna let. We got it with Ebola, dude. You know what companies and products are gonna be looking to go up? I'll show you. Some good vectors before. How about it was an infographic? That's what it was. Infographic. Here it is. Yeah, I like these. See, like this coronavirus transmission through the air, contaminated objects, animal contact, human contact, fatigue, shortness of breath, dry cough, fever, runny nose. Wear a mask. I heard it doesn't work. Wash your hands. Yes, of course. Avoid contact with animals. Yeah, don't get them in the butt right there if that's what that means. No sex with animals. Dude, you could pet your dog. Even my dog don't have no corona. It probably means that Patagonian. Dude, I saw something on the channel that Patagonian is so freaking nasty. It eats on termites under the sand, dude. The Patagonian. Termite eater. This is the animal that they say right here. The pangolin. Right here, dude. This is the it's the pangolin. This is the creature that they say transmitted the virus. Pangolin. It is the nastiest looking thing you ever seen, dude. Look, and it's got oh my gosh, dude. Look at that's his tongue. Dude, it's the nastiest. And they say it's in China. That's where it is, in Asia. Native Asian. That's where it is, dude. That's the thing that did it, dude. Ugh, dude. Nasty creature. Let's see if it's under 200 now. 165. Told you. Look at the futures, man. Down 165. You're up 100 points on the futures now, dude. You just made a killing. Dude, you just made a killing on them futures, bro. Made a killing. Late to the party, Dustin. What's up? Oh, Ken, just take my course, bro. You'll find out exactly when to take profit, when to hold, do the rail grind, and about everything. Yeah, man. Give me a second. Yeah. I heard the doctor, Osiris. I heard the doctor on TV tonight come on, and one of the main questions was, do the masks really work? And he said no. Avoid people that are sneezing. A lot of household disinfectants. They do the job. They get rid of the virus. So wash your hands, disinfect everything. Look at that, 165 on them futures, man. That was a good move. So let's see right here. iBio. Shares of iBio up 174%. Let's see what they do and why they're up. Shares of iBio, Mojo's pick from the Sunday newsletter, soared another 174%, bringing their weekly gain to 689%. Guys, March Madness special, 30% off. You can join and get the Mojo swing picks before they come out. Guys, I had guys that are in like let's see, like telling me, oh, I checking out Codex at $14, Mike. What the hell did you get that baby so early? Well, I sent it out in the Mojo Swing. Dude, I did this with the Ebola back in the day. You'll see. I did the bio, everything. You'll see. But let me tell you what the companies are. This way you know. So when the next virus happens in 5 years, you're like, damn, dude, that happened with the coronavirus. It happened with the Ebola with Mike. I'm right on the next one. I'm going to nail it. So it's the SARS, the MERS. You got to know what MERS means and SARS. It's a respiratory syndrome, Middle East respiratory syndrome. Another coronavirus. See, that's what they do. They first announced early February, comes aiming with its fast pharmacing facility set up to create rapid delivery of its medical countermeasures to a pandemic. That's nice. iBuy's manufacturing processes plant in the expression systems. Okay. Oh, on Friday, iBio showed a self-registration of up to 100 million. Woo! So the stock went up, and they're like, I'm going to take advantage and do a shelf offering. Nice. So that thing is going to go down. Let's look at the next one on that list. On FinViz. Just on FinViz because they're hot. You have Altimmune. Development of the milestone towards the single dose intranasal vaccine using Altimmune's proprietary technology to protect against the COVID-19, the disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Altimmune has completed the design and synthesis of the vaccine and is now advanced towards animal testing and manufacturing. Nice. That's another one. It also believes the clinical profile of Nasovax is particularly relevant to COVID-19 because of the intranasal delivery directs to the immune response where it's needed to protect against respiratory infection, including the likely site of the initial viral attack. It's a biopharmaceutical company focused on the developing treatments for liver disease, immune modulating, and therapies. Let's look at the next one on the list because I don't have that one. I have all the other ones on the list, though. OPGN. Yeah, I picked that one. 339. I'll show you what they do. They reported an update on Curatus, announced preliminary revenue for Curatus business. So they have a Curat there, Curatus, one of their drugs. FDA in December of 2019. Product development. So this has nothing to do with the Curat. I do not think. Opogen, genetic collaboration, canovirus virus testing right here. Let's see. Opogen, plan, Curatus announced Chinese BGI will collaborate making molecular testing for the corona. So another OPGN. Pick that one during the week. See the next one. Trillium responds to the market activity. Stocks in the virus infected offer. They're doing a public offering too. That was my swing pick right there. Trillium responds to the market activities. The next one on the list was Dynatronics. I think they just came out with earnings. The stock spiked from $1 to $3. Just earnings on that one. And AHPI on there. And that's it for FinViz. Let's go to the watch list on the Mojo website and see what I put up on the watch list. This is the watch list that goes up every morning on 2/26. I put up TNXP at an entry price of $0.80. Last was $1.08. It went as high as $1.45, an 81% gain on the day on TNXP. The next one I put up is IFRX at 460, is currently 424. It went as high as 460. It went as low as 412. The next one was Apt at 1060. Last was $21. It went as high as $30.99, a 292% daily gain. The daily high was 41. I gave it to you at 1060 in the morning. It went from 1060 to 41.59. It was right there in the morning. It opened up 16. mRNA at 690. These were all the day before. This is where I gave all these. I left them on there from the 26th to the 25th. These are the entry prices I gave you. APT at 10. It went to 41. mRNA on 226 at 690 went to 25.95. GHSI lower. Semi-LEDs at 2 went to 280. Look at these stellar picks. 81, 292, 276, and a 40%er. A loss of 25. Thank goodness I lost on one, right? Jeez Louise. Man, Mojo's good at them picks. See what the futures are at. 171. Let's see if they changed. 161. They'll stabilize around here. That was a good 100-point move on them futures, man. Like that. You'll be on the demo soon? Biok? Yeah, Biok's a good one. Let me show you another good one right here. So I think this stock right here, some quality ones, guys. Let me show you a couple right here around the Corona. See this company, 3M? It's $149 per share. They make the masks. They make the masks. Home Depot limits sale of 10 masks per person. See? They make the masks. So we got 3M, MMM. We got the 3M. So let's mark that 3M, MMM. We got that. That's 149.24 a share. Going to go to 200 plus. Target. Mini 150 on the money. Mini 150. Set a rail grind on a V-band daily break. Mojo traders know what that means. V-band daily. Look for a Marabuzu close on all these I tell you about. Okay? These will be Monday's picks. $149 triple M. Right there. Home Depot sets 10 limits on the masks. Everybody run into Home Depot. Okay? 30 million everyone's marking them up, man. There's a shortage on the masks. That means everyone's buying them and then selling them on eBay, selling them on Amazon. They're marking up the masks, man. Look, price gouging on the masks. See, everyone's doing that. I was thinking about that, man, buying up like a couple thousand masks. They're still out there. You can buy them. I was going to do it a week and a half ago. And the price of masks is skyrocketing right here, see? Corona fear send masks skyrocketing. Got to post that on my Twitter. Everyone likes when I post a couple things on that. Post that on my Facebook too, right there. See that? Gotta love that. So right here, guys, the Corona sphere send mask prices skyrocketing, gouging, dude. They're gouging the prices on eBay. A regular mask has gone from $17 to $70 a 10-pack, bro, for $99 from $18.20 a month ago. That's some pretty big gouging, man. You know? It's a good business, dude, you know? You can profit from you. You're first to the pack, dude. More power to you. I don't put down any of them people that do that, man, and get that product up there and have that smarts to do that firsthand. Dude, I used to sit there on commercials when domains were hot. As soon as a commercial used to come on with a product, I used to go on and just get the domain for it. Because eventually one day they're going to need it, right? Things like that, man. I love that stuff. 7-Eleven in the airports. Yeah, airports need that mask, man. A lot of hand sanitizers are going to do good. A lot of like Clorox and bleach and things like that are going to do good. You know what I'm saying? Products that do good with coronavirus, like bleach and hand sanitizer. Look, Americans are stockpiling on the cleaning products, bro. Due to the fears, man. You just got to keep it all clean, you know? Standard cleaning products that will kill viruses will presumably do fine against SARS, chief infectious disease at Mount Sinai in New York. We don't have a ton of data, but it's a caveat. Products must be used correctly. Many cleaning products advertise their ability to clear nearly all bacteria and viruses that cause disease, including coronaviruses. See? Lysol, protect against the virus, man. See? That's what you got. That's the product. And that's sold by what company is that? Makes Lysol. What company makes Lysol? Lysol is a cleaning disinfectant by Rick and Bickenstecker Company. They make Mr. Clean, Pine Sol. What else? The parent company. RB brands. Are they stock? Yeah, right here. Stock price $73. Reckitt Beckensecker Group makes Lysol, and they're on the OTC at $74. Let's see what they've done in the last month. Oh, they're down. Maybe a great buy right now, dude. Look how it's coming down right here, down to the bottom. Why is it down? It should be like rip. Maybe Mojo's got a good one here where it's going to be going up. We got to keep an eye on the Rick and Stickenbecker Group, man. Damn. Look at that, Mosh. I don't want to put the price on. Here we go. Let's see what. I'm gonna put that in the chat room, boys. This is the Mojo Rick and Bickenstecker, man. They make the products. Dude, the Mojo Rick and Bickenstecker. Oh, Oscar. Yeah, thanks, man. Looking forward to it. Oh, for March, man. Yeah, you did. Yes, you did. You got both. Day and swing, bro. That's why you in the chat room, man. 149 for both. That's paid. So you're all good, pro trader, Harry, new to the room. There you go. I don't rip nobody off, dude. Dude, pro trader Allen in the room. Dude hasn't lost. Let me show you some stuff with him. Dude, right here. Look, this is the guy Allen in the room. Yeah, I'm not on Discord. You should subscribe to me there. Yeah, you guys should subscribe to Mojo, man. You know, there'd be no harm, no foul against subscribing, man. No harm, no foul against that, dude. Subscribe to the Mojo. No harm, no foul. Nice. Yeah, Mike's Legal Beagle. Thank you, Pro Trader Sully. Welcome. Good evening, man. Nice to have you aboard in the room listening to me on the YouTube. So you got Alan in here, guys. Ran the room on Friday because I wasn't feeling too good in the morning. Oh yeah, and I was talking Jordan Belfort. This is Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street. Created an outside sales team for his straight line sales system, guys. I'm the VP of outside sales for his company. Created the system around me and a small pack of wolves. Mojo's going to be killing it, dudes. So don't tell me you're not interested. Just give me 30 seconds of your time. That's all you got to listen to tonight. If I start making complete business sense, you'll listen more and you'll subscribe. If I don't, you'll disconnect, and I promise you, you'll never watch again. Fair enough? Let's start watching, boys. There's a trader in my room. His name is Alan, Pro Trader Alan. This guy has not lost incredibly for a long time. Let me show you what they were talking about. Right here. This is Alan. He's a professional stock trader. He's a husband, a grandfather, a patriot, a Zionist, USA, Israel, Jewish, and proud. He's done 1,627 followers and 60,000 tweets on Twitter. That's him. Alan retired at 49. Alan got 55,000 views just now on Twitter. Well, on Alan's note, I started trading with Mojo. It's a start, but gonna keep it up. I'm 10 out of 10 days winning. It's a start. I'm gonna have to keep up with Alan. Congratulations on everyone that had Codex, Dynatronics, iBio, UVXY, GSI, Kazar, Synesis, and all of them. Great job. Dynatronics right here, high 370. Amazing, up 116%. Here's the Dynatronics pick at 98 cents on 2/2 Sunday. Right here, swing trade pick at 98 cents, guys. Right there's the date. You got it. 98 for Heinz, $1. Going to fill up its support at 95 to fill higher into $1.45 plus on an 8.8 float. Dollar reward, risking 10, 10 to 1. Boom, 98 cents. Boom, $3. Right there, guys. Open 359. iBio, Dynatronics 252. Right there. Beautiful picks in the Mojo room. Codex making a move at $14. We have this one at $3. Went to 24 right here at the open up there. See that Codex? Brandon, congratulations for successfully completing Mojo University. This is the Heinz trade play, guys. Right here. It works with great consistency. Once the price of any stock approaches the whole number, right underneath it at 90 cents, momentum and positive expectancy take over, and the stock goes through the whole number. We've done 10,000 out of 10,000 in a row. Show me one that fits the criteria, that doesn't go through, and it will never happen. This is the Mojo. They all love it. That's the high. That's what we live on. This is what we make our living on. Everything else is for fun. Thanks for attending today, Alan. Just a good day, dudes. Loving the Friday we had in the room, the team effort we had in the room. So this Reckitt Beckon Smicker, we'll keep it on the radar. Check out this stock. UGEN. They make the kits. Check it out. This stock's going to go from 35 to 100. Fusion. From 35 to 100 target. Plus. They make the kits. They'll send kits to every hospital all over the whole. They'll order millions and millions and millions of kits. QGEN, kits. QGEN. That's the kits. Tomorrow's going to be amazing. So this stock right here is at $35.90, right into Mini Heinz 50. Tell you what they do. Qgen. This is the shizzle right here, $35.90 down 57 cents, guys. Two stocks are gaining, ease as Corona do chaos. Let's go into the profile. Qgen provides insight solutions for transformable biological materials into molecular blah, 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 blah. Great. It's one of those. I'll get into something. I'll show you exactly what they do. Go to their website. A rapid response to coronavirus. Read the story. Qgen is responding as quickly as possible to provide solutions to contain the spread of the coronavirus, a situation that the WHO has declared an international public health emergency. If you don't know who the WHO is, guys, it's like the government agency. WHO is the World Health Organization. The outbreak. They're like everybody's trying to control it, work together everywhere. Okay? So in a rapid response, it's declared an international public health emergency. Despite containment efforts, the coronavirus outbreak is rapidly spreading throughout the globe, with new cases showing up in Italy, Austria, Croatia, Switzerland, and most recently in Germany. With cases turning up in airports and on cruise ships, potential cases immediately create situations in which it becomes critical to isolate the patient and those who become in contact with them. As more people are exposed, the glowed for diagnostics, let's get to them. Their kit. They have the QASDX syndromic testing solution that has a fast time to result, an ease of use, and an existing respiratory panel that makes it a potential key asset in this situation. And we're currently adding 219 strain panel, which is a new research use covered by the test. Qgen announced worldwide shipments of the test kits for SARS-CoV in a press release in February 26, able to deliver a result in an hour. Testing solutions like the QASDX are available for working out with pathogen might cause boom. We're currently adding boom. And there's the kits right there. Qgen has ramped up efforts to curb. So this is the company. And if you go here and you go Corona test kits, new testing kits. What's this? They're just doing an ad. Purchase testing kits from Dan Safe now. Level up your health and safety. Let's see what they're trying to. Look, there's their testing kits. Promoting health and safety with electronic music community. This is not it. Is this it? Dan Manuel. Weird. No, look, they're getting a lot of traffic though, this website, huh? Dude, that's so funny. So Corona test kits, they're advertising. Good for them, man. I should advertise the MOJO with that. But that's kind of like easy. Here's the United States badly bungled coronavirus testing, but things may soon improve. The World Health Organization shipped testing kits to 57 countries. China had 5 commercial tests on the market a month ago and could do now up to 1.6 million tests a week. South Korea has 65,000 tested so far. The U.S. for disease control, in contrast, has only done 459 tests. The rollout design kit to the state local labs has become a fiasco because it contained a faulty reagent. Labs around the country eager to test more suspected cuts that test fast are unable to do so. No commercial or state labs have approval to use their own tests. Emergency use approval. They're not allowed to do anything without FDA approval. When the United States declared the outbreak a public health emergency on January 31st, the bureaucratic process kicked in that requires FDA's emergency use approval for any tests. So companies are probably just going to scramble to put out tests just so they can have good news, and they're going to take advantage too. Companies that want to do that on the back of the tag along too. All right. So you got Qagin, you got Triple M. Let's take a look at Codex. Diagnostics, one of the Mojo's big picks. Is it $13? I would not touch this thing because Mojo picked it at 95 cents and also at $3. So I would not do that one. CODX. Here's the pick at 95 cents. Here's the pick at $3. So Mojo is in this pick called Codex. Co-diagnostics at 95 cents to go through $1 on 11/17 of 2019. I have a friend in Wuhan, China. We play Fortnite together. And he's like, dude, I got these people around me and they're getting sick and shit. And I'm like, what? No way, man. Really? I'm like, dude, I had these stocks back in like the Codex and all these other, like, dude, yeah, get that Codex. It's going to Heinz $1. I'm like, dude, the Heinz is the greatest. So he's like, all right, I'll buy that Heinz. So we get in on 11/17 just on a whim. It's like when I bought Bitcoin, you know, and I bought it so cheap. I was like going to buy some pizza with it and stuff. And the guy's like, nah, just hold it. It might be worth something one day. So I held it. It was worth something one day, you know. He's like, yeah, buy that Codex, man. Nothing's happening, but maybe it's worth something one day. They got increased earnings estimates. It technically looks good with a strong base and all upside to $1, then to $1.24. Then we set a trail stop above $1 and see how high it can go. Could fill back up to $2. Stock went to 20. To 20. Have you ever had a stock from 95 cents go to 10 for 1,000% gain and then go to 20 for a 2,000% gain? That's what this one did. And I picked it on 219. Then I picked it again right here because shit was going down, man. 224 Monday, guys, just like I'm going to do tomorrow. Stock futures are down 700 points. I'm not going to be jumping in, throwing out picks because you joined the newsletter tonight, bro. The new guy in the room, you hear that? Who thinks I ripped him off right here? He didn't get the 30% off. I ain't sending you a newsletter tonight. No newsletter, bro. I don't do that, man. I don't send to send. I send to win. So we wait until Monday. If you're watching my show, you understand. You understand. I did the same thing last week. That's why there's got a new guy to the room right here. So I know I picked NNVC. I know. See, let me show you last weekend right here. So I said, dude, I'm not sending out nothing, dudes. See, you came in, you joined last Sunday. I said this, same thing. Look, Sunday. I said Sunday, February 20th, 1 week ago. Futures are down huge. Just like they are now, dude. They're down huge. Big and open. Big bad. Big bad. Markets closed down a few hundo, with the UVXY position up 10% to $12. Yee-hoo! It's 25. UVXY has made the largest run in history. Lucky I told you to get in at $12 and lower, right? There's absolutely no reason to make any long picks for the next few days ahead. The markets must flush and the dust must settle. Then the trades will present themselves for good opportunities. I don't want to make a pick for the sake of sending out a pick. Most members of this newsletter have been here for so many years and understand that not every Sunday has to be a newsletter filled with long stock picks. So for those new to the newsletter, be patient as the trades will present themselves for good opportunities. I don't want to make a pick for the send to make it. Most members of the news, right here, man. So for those new to the newsletter, be patient as the trades will come. But for the meantime, if not long UVXY, there's a good chance. This is a good one, as well as a reversal on JDST, and that stock is $13.50. Where did I tell you to get JDST? At $7.60. So right now it's at $13.60. This one is at 25. Both of these ETFs, this is ETF trading for those guys that trade ETFs. For those guys that trade options, if you would have trailed these two picks that I told you on that day, you would have made bank. Here's UVXY right here. UVXY from 12 is 22.92. You could see right here the last 5 days, the stock has gone from 14 to a high of 25.90. JDST at 690 for Heinz. That's JDCom. JDST is 1333, up 27%. Last 5 days, you would have gotten this thing at $7 per share and under, like we did. You would have made 100% on that stock. And that's what Mojo has gotten you into. Here's the swing. We've got the JDST at 695 is 1333, and UVXY at 1475 is 2292. Added higher, started at 11, 12, 13, up 53 and 91 on those two picks. Glow is 150, 160. Keep an eye on that. ZSAN at 78 cents is 73. Another one to keep an eye on is ZSAN. Surprised that one hasn't popped. We may see this one go. Let me show you what ZSAN does. It's at 72 cents, up 4, but it's starting to make a move. You see how it can go right to $1 and be the biggest mover and go to $1.50? Watch. They clinical stage biopharm providing therapeutics to patients suffering from migraine. It's candidates, proprietary formulation with the headaches and stuff and disease. Let me show you. Bing. Delivering rapid relief. Commercially biopharmaceutical company focused on administration of therapeutics to patients using their proprietary intravenous microneedle path technology. Submitted new drug application to the FDA for its lead clinical Zimitral microneedle system for acute treatment of migraine. Zosano. That's another one. Surprised that one hasn't gone. So that's the swing newsletter right here that went out with those two picks and an update on Sunday. So guys, that's what's going to happen now. I'm going to send out new picks. So on Sunday, that one went out. So you're like, what happened on Monday? 2 new picks went out on Monday. Last Monday, 2. The futures were down 700, man. 700. Okay? And that's when I put out right there the Codex. Stock futures are down 700. UVXY is up 20% this morning to 1475. Rebought more there. Codex, it's the coronavirus. Stocks are up nicely. And one particular one, which we already picked and profited from at 95 cents, is the NASDAQ #1 gainer. Take a look at Codex. We play it from 3 to 5, and it even has the capability of going more. It last traded at 325 with 235,000 volume. Guys, this is the kind of action that we see time and time and time again. And all you guys need to be joining the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter and the Mojo Day Trade room. And if you do that, you could take advantage of my March Madness special up there. You know what I'm saying? So don't do that. That's what I'm saying. So here's the Codex at 35 cents, and then JDST right there at 695 by 98. It's down 8%. I buy them when they're down. So people bought it up here. They're wrong. They can't be that wrong. The point of no return. Mojo comes in and starts buying right here. Mojo's happy. Okay? As soon as I get a right ear, I buy right here, #1. I fill up my mouth, #2. And on my right ear right here, I buy #3. And then I'm on the point of up. I'm thrilled. I'm excited. Everybody else comes in and buys right here and says, man, I can't be wrong. And then it comes up and it curls on them and does the same pattern of perfection that Mojo loves to do, the wheel of emotion in trading. So that's JDST, guys. Already took profits on a little bit of the position right here on Dynatronics. Going to happen tomorrow at 250, and JDST hopefully at 1450. Looking to close out these babies tomorrow on JDST for the first trades of the month for a profit tomorrow on these two. Okay, we still got Hexo, NaviB, ZSAN, GHSI, Ogen, KMPH, Glow, boom, 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 boom. We got Navex, APT, and Lake. Look at the stops. 1990. Okay, look for the guys that have Lake at 1290. It's 21. Don't let it go below 1990. Apt at 490 is 21. Don't let it go below 1990. NVAX at 745 is 16. Don't let it go below 1490. See the 90s? Don't let them go below. If they go right below that even, they're done, dude. See if they hold the 20, hold the 15. JDST, hold the 13. UVXY, hold the 20. All the 90s. That's how it works. So we got Triple M, we got Qgen, Codex. COCP was another one last month right here. COCP, they may come back to life. That Mojo picked right here in the middle at 90 cents. Co-Crist Pharma, what the hell do they do? COCP, Co-Crystal Pharma. This one came up during the week. Closes on a $11 million placement, but dude, this thing freaking was loving it because they did something with the coronavirus 6 days ago right here. This and the Kansas State University Research Foundation are getting together to hook up to do research for corona, and the stock went through the roof, and they're like, okay, it's going through the roof with volume, let's put out and do a shelf offering right now and clear off all our debt, and this is our chance. So they took well advantage of that as well. This company did. Co-Crystal Pharma. It's a piece of crap. So we'll see what's going to be hot tomorrow, guys, on the stock watch list right here. Tomorrow is a 3-2. So let's see what these symbols are going to be right here, and these entry prices are right here, because everything's blank. You see how it's blank? So if you come to my website right here and you go to the watch list, it'll be blank. But tomorrow morning, it'll fill in with 5 stocks that should be really hot and nice for the day. Are they the ones I'm giving to my room? Maybe. Are they ones I'm giving in my newsletter? Maybe. Who knows? You got to come check it out and see on the Mojo website right there on the watch list. If you subscribe, you'll know when I'm going live in the morning as well, man. While you drive, dude, if you're not driving in one of these cars, this car should be in your garage, dude, if you're a day trader on the Mojo show. Nice show, guys. What's up, Sully? Oh, you're very welcome for sharing the knowledge. My research is your research. Why not, bros? We're all making a killing together, dude. People always ask me, dude, why do if you got such a great thing, why do you teach and hook up everybody and waste your time? You should be a multi-bajillionaire. It ain't about that. I played poker and was a very, very excellent poker player before I traded. Very excellent. Okay. And I had poker down to a science. And every time I went and played poker, I won. I'd go to the casino right now with $1,000. I'll walk out with 2 or 3. I will. I got a system that I use. But when I go there, it's a limited amount of people. And when you're playing against a solid group of people that all want the same pot of money. So whoever wins gets it. It's not an unlimited distribution of money depending upon how much you bet that each person at the table is going to win. It's only one winner. So I'm not telling anyone my system. I'm actually going to tell you the opposite of what I do and trick you and bluff you so I could beat you and take your money. In day trading, it's nothing like that. Facebook going through 200, Tesla going through 699, went to 950 in an hour. Anyone could have bought the Heinz trade in the world. The stock was trading 80 million shares on a $700 stock, billions and billions of dollars. It was a free for all for everybody. You could just jump in right under the even number at 699 and it went up 300 points. I'd give that power, I'll give to anybody. No one's taking any money from me doing that. On Tesla, on Apple, on JDST, from 7 is now 13. No one's taking no money from me. I'm just giving you the idea on how to do it, how to execute, and how to stay in and maximize it through my courses that I teach in MOJO University and the power that you get as a trader, man. Yeah, I'm a badass golfer too. Thanks, Thanks, Ryder. Yeah, man. I can't play in this tournament next weekend, though. It's at Westchester. Check it out. I got a decline, bro. Here's my tournament invitation right here. Golf Channel. The War at Westchester. Right here. Right here. See? The Golf Channel Amateur Tour. Next stop on the tour is a new member to our rotation, Westchester Country Club in Boynton Beach. The link for the course is below, and it looks like a great stop for now and the future. First tee time's 11:30, cost is $135 to enter. Please sign up below and keep it in the fairway. And here's the course right here, Westchester. I'm good on this course, and they won't play from the backs; they'll play from the blues. I'm good on this course, dude. They have 3 9s. I wonder which we're going to play, the blue, gold, or red. See, here's the course photos. They have one hole, the 10th hole over the water. Let me show you this par 5. I can reach it in 2, no problem. But from the back tees, it's a beast. See, the holes are nice, man. Where's the 10th? That's a nice looking hole, huh? Drive it down there. Hit it over them bunkers. There's a nice hole with the water all along the water right there. They don't show you the driving hole, though. Oh, this is a nice one. You drive it over here. Come over there. A lot of water. I'm good in this course, though. Cool, man. That's the course, but I can't play. My son's got a double header with the baseball. Got to go to his game. First hole, Westchester. Par 5. No, I don't have it. Picture, I thought I may have it. But yeah, man, so that's awesome right there. See how many I got. Oh, another. I got some more followers on Twitter. 53.2, almost 53.3 thousand now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Coronavirus fears sending mass prices skyrocketing. Faces gouge warnings. Oh my gosh. See, guys, I only have 7 viewers watching, but that's on that's on Periscope. I'm on Twitch, Periscope. Let me see me on Twitch. Right here. See, I'm live. Look, see, I'm live on Twitch. See? This is Twitch. Pretty cool, right? I'm live on Twitch. You can see me live. That's pretty cool. A couple other things I'm live on. YouTube. This is the Netflix of China. Also got a boost this past week because people are staying indoors. So Netflix, guys, and IQ. The stock IQ on the list tomorrow. Saywin put that one on the list. IQ. Netflix on the list for tomorrow. Put that in the room. Westchester's got a nice website too. Yeah, so we got the Netflix for tomorrow, guys. IQ, Triple M. Hear that new guy? We got a lot of good stuff for tomorrow. You got QGen. If you want to swing any of them babies, I'll be sending out that swing in the morning. You'll know exactly how it works. Oh, the 150 would be dropping. Dude, that 150 is dude, come on now, dude. That's nothing, dude. The average guy in my room, Pro Trader High, has been with me for 5 years now. So you'll be paying $150 a month for me for the next 10 years, my friend. I have no question about that. And also a bright spot among the FANG stocks is Netflix, which soared over 3% in the past week. Imagine if Netflix turns into a freaking Tesla, dude, move and goes from right here. Let's see, Tesla. Netflix, imagine if it does like a freaking coronavirus Tesla crazy move and goes from 369 to mini Heinz 500 and then goes to 900 and triples. Dude, we're going to make so much money on Netflix. All you option traders and shit. Oh my gosh. Could you imagine how much money you'll make? On that, dude, the people that trade options and want to buy swings, look at the options, dude, on Netflix. You come out right here to the March 6s. Yeah, Z-San's poised to blow, bro. Totally, man. Love that you like that. So here's the Netflix right here. March, let's see, was it at 369? So let's go to like the 400s. Look. The 470s are 11 cents. The 465s are right here for 20 cents, dudes. The 450s are 23 cents down to right here. Look at this. Click. The 450s, 20 cents. Stock makes a run. These things can go to 20 bucks. I'll show you why. Because the stock, if the stock is 470, look. So if the stock is 450, that option is 23 cents. The 470 is 11, half that price. So the 420 will be 50 cents. The 400 will be like $1 plus. The 380 is 9.50. So it's 10 bucks. The 400 is 320. The 420 is 3. The 400 is, no, I'm sorry, the 400 is 3. The 390 is 6. And the stock is 369. So if you go right at the money, a 365 is 16 bucks. So that's how much it'll be worth right here, the 465. When the stock is at 4.6, it'll be worth 16. It'll be worth 20 bucks, 16 to 20 bucks, and you got it at 20 cents. It's a 10,000% gain, boys, on that option. If it made a crazy move because of Corona, and no, everyone has to stay in. No one can go outside. I don't even want to go out, dude. Every time I go out, someone's coughing in the booth next to me and shit. I'm like, oh my God, I'm going to die. I'm going to have Corona. And then I come home and I cough. I'm like, oh, I got Corona. Is that a symptom? So everyone's symptomatic with Corona. Another stock that I picked, which is overdone, I can't get into it, but it may make a move, is the Teladoc. I picked it at 95 to go through 100. It went to 140. Came out with great earnings. This is the company that you call on the telephone because you don't want to go to the hospital. Teladoc. Transforming how people access healthcare around the world. The global leader in healthcare. The Teladoc.
It's a life-changing diagnosis, fever that just won't break, or something in between. We all worry about our health. So many things in life have gotten simpler. It isn't always easy to get the help we need to feel better. At Teladoc Health, we believe people shouldn't have to choose between convenient or quality care, but needing to see a specialist and put you on a wait list. And no one should feel lost when it comes to it. Each day, we're modernizing how people access and experience healthcare. Teladoc Health is the global leader in virtual care, with the only comprehensive solution spanning telehealth, medical, and life. Working with the world's leading hospitals, insurers, and employers, we help millions of people resolve their healthcare needs.
Dudes, so I'm like, I gotta call the doctor with the Teladoc. You know what I'm saying? So that was my pick. If that comes down, we'll get the Teladoc 118. Put the alert on it. Say when 118 stopping station. This may be at 122 to 127 with a touch of 18 because it went to 49. Touched 150. Okay. Put the alert on that. That's Teladoc. Stopper. 122. Touchy 18. Bounce back up. Gotta like that one. TDOC, not TDOX, TDOC. So you got the Corona, you got the Nanoviscerides, my other stock I picked, 950. Just hot and strong on Nanoviscerides. What they do is they also got a lot of action on the 18 stocks to watch in the Corona. There you go, boys. So you got Co-Diagnostics. That's already my pick. So that one we got. Mojo nailed. VIR. No, I didn't nail that one. Let's check out what VIR includes. An antibody. Another coronavirus strain. $46.50, dude. This company. That's what they are. VIR Biotech gets a corona bounce. A bounce, dude. Look, that guy's working in the lab on VIR at 4650. Let's put them all in. Say when you type them in YouTube, I'll type them in and give out screenies in the room, bro. VIR Biotech. Bam, we'll nail that one right there. You add them into the YouTube. What's the next one? I can post these on my tweets too, boys. Got all my guys. Nah, this is gonna be a good string. So you got APT. Oh, look, they got a whole list. This is it, 18 stock. Where was that article I was on? All right here. So Alpha Protech, I already got that one. Where's that other article I was on? I had VIR in there. That's weird. Anyway, dude, Alpha Protech. That's the mojo pick. APT. Already got that one. They manufacture the masks, man. That's Alpha Protech. That's APT. What is this? Let's open up a link and check out that baby. That's 21 bucks, down 4. Alpha Pro. Keep an eye on all those. Yeah, APDN should be on the list. That's Alpha Protech. Lakeland, already on our list. We already got Lake. Lake's great. I'll show you Lake's site. Open link. Lake is $21, boys. Up $1.14 to 5.1. Lake's got a small little float ski. And just keep it on the radar. This is all watch list for all the Ebolios. And then you got the Lake and boom. And what's the next one? They got Co-Diagnostics. We know that one. That's a Utah-based company. We know that. Already got that Codex. Codex closed $13 and down the Ching Chang right there as of Friday. Ver, here's the VIR. The Ver. They closed at 46.50, down 13 bucks. I love it, dude. These stocks gonna be so ripping all over the place. Mark those babies down on YouTube for me, man. Thanks, Bubba. BioCryst, BCRX, another familiar one from our past, huh, guys? BioCryst. They're in phase 1 study of the coronavirus early stage development. Boys, that's a good BioCryst. BCRX. Trading at $3. Ooh, on a spike at the end of the day, right at Heinz 3. Star it, baby. Here it is, BCRX. Dude, say when that's a star for the room tomorrow, bro. And Sully and all you guys helping me out tonight on my tuber. Dude, that's huge right there. Huh, that's huge. Huge, man. INO, dude. We already know what they do. That's near Heinz 4. We're going to nail that sucker right at Heinz 4. INO. Totally. Dude, look at INO. Right. Oh, it's already above 4, but it comes down to stopping station 407. This is another good one to trade. Totally awesome, too. INO. Gotta love that one. Pfft, totally. Totally love INO. My tweet I had. There it is. Da-na-na-na. Oh, dude, CL nanoviscerides and NVAX are next, dude. See, NVAX has already launched a program for the Wuhan coronavirus, both vaccine development, MERS, and so they're already like a tested company. They don't have to dude. They say I got something. This is maybe a head honcho leader, NVAX, head honcho leader because they're at like $16, I think. But this thing go right to 20, up, see 16, up 4. Right at Heinz 16, touches 11, goes right to 19. So this one I also love a lot, say, when that one a lot. Yeah, I'll get up to Myrna. Not up to Myrna yet. Gotta love NVAX. They already launched that program right here. Here's the program. NVAX is working on a Wuhan coronavirus at its first U.S. cases emerges right there. And Tuesday afternoon has already done a vaccine for the Wuhan corona in China to Asia right there. And they soared 60% on Tuesday because they have their nanoparticle vaccine technology, bro. You know what I'm saying? So this one may really, really be the shizzle and the dizzle. NVAX right there. I just posted that, so I'll post it right behind so people know that's the shizzle dizzle on that. GNCA, I'm not sure. Take a look. Is $1.68. GNC. What do they do? Is that the GNC with the GNC? They make the GNC store. That GNC. Yeah, I think this is the GNC store. It may do good. Yeah, it is. It's that GNC may do good. May head up to $1.70, $1.80, and head into 2. It's in a no buy zone right now. It's down. It used to be up here at 2. So, I'm not too crazy about GNC. Next one up there is nanoviscerides. And nanoviscerides, what they do is produce nan medicines to fight the virus, such as swine and bird flu, and is in a stage development as a candidate for the virus. That's the nanoviscerides right there, and that stock's $9.50 now. Mojo picked it at 3, but I like it for the trading apparatus that will provide on a breakout into 10 Heinz. So make Mark Saywin for a 990 on Nano alert, a 990 Heinz alert on Nano, a 990 Heinz alert. You and Sully, Doc, all you guys, put that baby up there. Course is free. Members only $99 for new traders. So there you go. Well, I may get to 53,200 by the time I'm done on my Twitter, guys. 10 notifications. So on my Twitter, these stocks are poised also. I put this up there. Johnson & Johnson, Gilead, SNY, Myrna, Sanofi, INO. This one's Sanofi right here. See that, SNY? Show you that one too. We'll get to that one. But let me just finish this other ones. Cleveland Biolabs Oncology Pharmaceutical, CBLI, develops the immune receptor activators for vaccines targeting various types of infection and is currently in phase 1 trials. Okay. Gotta like that, right? And that's on CBLI. We've had traded CBLI before. CBLI is $3.34. Looking for a move into $3.50 and then into a move into $4 Heinz on that one. Set an alert right there for $3.45 plus for the old mini Heinz on the Cleveland Biolabs. And then right after that is CERS, definitely another one. I love these little short explanations on what they are. They use proprietary technology to inactivate the SARS strain, and it's looking to adapt its approach to the new Wuhan strain. On the Wuhan, that's CERS. This is a whole array, a buffet of coronavirus stocks. Take your pick of the Corona buffet. That's CERS. What's the next one they got up here, man? They got a lot of 18 stocks up there for that Corona. And then they got, what else? Morona Dona. Right there, Moderna. They received a new funding from Vaccine Alliance, CEPI, to accelerate its work on the corona vaccine, and has joined forces with the Coalition for Epidemic Preparation as innovations on a vaccine approach. Moderna, Cinerna. And here's the Moderna right there. Vaccine urges. Let's see, that's what they do. That's a picture of that. That's where you're going to get a shot like that. Oh, I hate needles, bro. Dude, I hate needles, man. I don't want to get no shots like that, dude. No way, Jose. Not interested in that, dude. There's the Moderna, 25.93. This could be a rocket ship right back up into the 30s and 40s. Absolutely. I would not take it for granted. We've traded this one pretty well. Followed by a nice press release on Moderna. mRNA. I'm supplying a lot of great information on the Twitter tonight. All my followers are digging it. So we got the Moderna. And then we got Athlon Medical, another Mojo swing pick. This is the one that halted. And now it's reopened back to where it came from. You're so damn lucky for all you guys that did that. It went down to like 30 cents, back up to 270. That would never happen in a majillion years. But it did with this one. Jeez Louise, lucky. We ain't going to be trading that one. They did like an offering. Crazy stuff. What's the next one? Co-Chris. Look, my other little crazy, stupid one. Haha, the one we went over and I picked. Co-Chris Pharma. They also did the offering. We ain't going to go near that one. That one closed $1.33. Up a nickel dickle. Hate that one. But those are the 18 stocks, boys, that are in that article right there. Sheesh Louise. Damn, those things are unbelievable. At the Corona. That's a good one. Anybody got any other ones I missed? Because, dude, I didn't miss none. The Corona buffet. Dude, can you believe Corona beer is, people aren't doing it? Look, Corona beer. Look. The spread of the coronavirus couldn't have come a worse time for Corona beer. Look, dude. Corona beer isn't making any changes despite the name unfortunately similar to the deadly coronavirus. Constellation Brands, we got to short this stock. STZ. Down $3. In the last 5 days, it's down from, on the reversed Heinz, 215 to 172 stopping station. It may go down to 151, 155. Constellation Brands. Yep, setting way new lows. Look at all that's already factored in. Already factored in down there at 172. 172. Yeah, man. That's Constellation. Corona beers. Phew. Got to keep an eye. Maybe go for a bounce. This thing bounces, guys. STZ may bounce back up to one towards Heinz. May bounce. That's another one to trade. STZ, another good trader. STZ, good on the chart. 172 stopper. See if it holds. A good trading zone right there. That's the Corona. So I got all the stocks all listed, boys. I really didn't miss nothing. Ready for tomorrow. See what the front gives us, you know what I mean? So guys, I gave you all the daily, man. The Mojo Daily News. Nice. Nice. So, guys, thanks for watching tonight. Really, really appreciate it. Absolutely. Had the Mojo news, had it all happening. And this one thing, let me see where it is. Hold on one second. Definitely subscribe to my channel while I look for this thing. All right, boys. I really appreciate everybody watching me in the show. I'll see you tomorrow morning. It is going to be something else, I tell you for sure. Last look at the futures right now is up 179. No way! Look at the futures, guys. Up 100 and I told you they could go positive. That right there is you guys made you made so much money trading futures with me tonight. It's incredible. That move right there on the futures, guys, you made the biggest move you've ever made in the futures in a long time. I gave it to you. Remember, if you guys know what trading futures are and you did that move that I told you, you made more money trading the E-mini S&P 500 futures than anything just now. The E-mini futures went from negative 200 and 300 to positive 200. Dude, oh my goodness gracious meus, oh my gosh. Can you believe this pick? Live on the Mojo Show. From a negative 300 to a positive 200. And I said it may happen. Oh my goodness gracious. Did you trade it? I didn't ask anybody. I got to take a picture of this futures right here. I have it right here, down 268 at 6:30. Wow. 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 Dude, I might get up to 53.3, 9 more notifications. Made some Guild, anticipate more we have with volatility ahead. Yeah, Guild was one of those other stocks. Guild. G-I-L-D. Gilead Sciences right here. 69 bucks for high. Yeah, this did the stopping station as well, 72. The other one at 72 may do the $69 and then bounce back up too. I like the Guild. Thank you, Pro Trader Weebs. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. So, guys, awesome. Middle Eastern stocks plunge as oil gets hammered by the coronavirus. Woo! Biggest equity markets in the Middle East lost $77 billion in value last week. Wow. Excellent, guys. Everyone have a great night. Get some sleep. I'll see you in the morning. We'll see what's hot, what's not, and beautiful. Just awesome. Thank you so much. Later.